Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can send a gift message on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find the home section, explore, and so on. And then here in the top left corner, you're gonna find this little icon that will take you to your direct messages. So right now, go ahead and go to your direct messages and then go ahead and click on the conversation where you want to send the gift message. Then just type the message that you want. For example, I'm going to type, "Hello, this is a gift message." And then in order to make it a gift message, just go ahead and click on this icon in the left. Then once you do that, right here, as you can see guys in the top, you can make it a gift message. Right here, you're going to find the options. So we're going to choose the gift right here. And then as you can see guys, we sent the message as a gift message. So right now, if you want to open this message, just give it a click. And then as you can see guys, the gift box will open. As you can see guys, you will have multiple choices. So for example, you can also add this other icon like this one, for example, and so on. So basically guys, once you open a gift message, it will stay open and you can't close it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.